In this video, we are discussing how to file and brief flight plans using ForeFlight Mobile. To begin, select the File and Brief tab at the bottom of the page. On the left, you will see any flight plans that you have created listed in chronological order. Future plans at the top, today's plans, and then plans that you have briefed or filed in the past. To file or brief a new plan, tap New Flight Plan. You will see all the familiar flight plan fields that you've seen in the past, with those required fields denoted as such. As you tap a field, you will see a drop-down menu with options to select. Let's start with an IFR flight plan. Briefing and filing VFR flight plans will follow the same procedure. If you have an aircraft profile set up already, certain fields will default to its values, such as true airspeed here for the Cirrus I typically fly. If you don't, you will select the plus symbol in the upper right of the drop-down menu when you tap in the aircraft field. Once you have set up and selected an aircraft, you will move down to departure. For the purposes of this video, I have filled out these fields, but they're all editable by tapping on them. This flight will be departing from my home airport of Palo Alto, California, today at 10:15 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Just one soul aboard, with the route San Jose, Salinas, then direct, cruising 5,000 feet, and I'm estimating 30 minutes for this flight, with 3 hours and 30 minutes of fuel aboard, and Salinas is the destination. Once you have all of that information entered, you will see 5 colored buttons. The first order of business may be to brief the flight, although that's not required before you file. You receive a weather briefing by selecting Brief. You will receive a standard VFR weather briefing in text format as provided by DUOTS. Once ForeFlight retrieves the text briefing for you, it is saved on your device. To view it later, simply tap the Brief button again once you've selected the same flight plan. It can be refreshed when you are online by tapping this button. If you ever need to delete a flight plan, simply select Edit, then the delete symbol, or slide your finger here to expose the delete option. If the weather looks good, you can select File. If you'd like to see the plan on Maps, select Maps. Note that your navlog is completed already and accessible through the drop-down here. If you'd like to send this flight to your logbook, select Log 10. Finally, to copy the flight plan, select Copy. Once a flight plan has been filed, it is marked as read-only and cannot be edited. To file a similar flight plan later, you will use this Copy button to make a new plan like the old one. Also, keep in mind that you can create a new flight plan in File and Brief from Maps, which can be very useful in flight planning. Simply create the route on Maps, open your navlog, and select Send To, and then File and Brief to create a new flight plan for briefing or filing. For more information, please check out our blog or website, and as always, email any questions to team@foreflight.com. From all of us here at Team ForeFlight, thank you.